Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save Google Slide to USB flash drive. All right, let's begin. First, open your Google Slides presentation. You can access it directly through Google Slides. Once you have the presentation open, click on File, then select Download and choose Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX as the file format. This format works well for transferring the presentation to a USB flash drive. After downloading, the file will appear in your computer's Downloads folder. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the Downloads folder to locate the PowerPoint file. Right-click on the file and select Copy. Next, open your USB drive, right-click and select Paste to transfer the presentation onto the USB flash drive. After the file finishes copying, safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Your Google Slides presentation is now saved on the USB and ready to use on another device. So that's basically how you can save Google Slide to USB flash drive. That's it for this video. Thanks.